Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing Excel for a custom function so you can convert numbers to words. Open the Developer tab and then press Alt plus F11 to launch the Visual Basic editor. Once there, insert a new module and paste a well-tested number-to-words VBA routine. This creates a UDF you call from Sheets. Make sure to save the workbook as XLSM so macros persist. By doing this now, you avoid repeated manual typing and set up a reusable tool across sheets and workbooks. Once the VBA function is in place, you use it like any formula. Type equals num to words, A1, or the function name you added. Make sure to tailor the code for currency formatting or decimal handling if you need dollars and cents, because the default may return only whole words. You can also add language variants or switch between American and British phrasing inside the function. Test the UDF on integers, decimals, and negative values to confirm edge cases behave as expected before applying to many cells. To finish, ensure your workbook is saved and shared correctly. Sign or lock the macro if colleagues will open it, and instruct them to enable macros. If Excel blocks the function, check Trust Center macro settings and add the file location as trusted. If results are wrong, step through the VBA with F8 to find logic errors or return simple test inputs to isolate problems. Finally, document the function name and expected input format so users understand how to call it and what to expect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.